Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Tamara's Hair Care. Also, welcome to my new viewers. I hope this video was pretty helpful for you guys. Stay tuned.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact.
So guys, in today's video, we are making aloe vera and turmeric soap. So you're gonna need an aloe vera leaf for sure, like this. You're gonna also need your turmeric. You can use the powdered one or the ones that looks like ginger, the raw turmeric. Also, you're gonna need soap base. You're also gonna need some vegetable glycerin, some essential oils of your choice, and of course you're gonna need something to mold the soap. Everything will in my Amazon storefront, so you can check the link in my description below for all the ingredients, guys. First thing first, you have to make sure you prepare your aloe vera leaf first. You have to make sure you remove all the latex because this can cause your skin to irritate. Okay, so we're gonna let it sit in some clean water for about 30 minutes. Change the water to a next 30 minutes or so. Then you want to go ahead and prepare your aloe vera. You're going to slice it up in smaller pieces and remove the sharp edges. You have to be careful, guys, because this can also be a little dangerous. After that, you're going to let your aloe vera sit for a few more minutes just to make sure the water is pretty clean after, so you know all the latex is being removed, because as I said, it can cause your skin to irritate it. It can also cause your skin to be very itchy. So as you guys can see, it wasn't finished removed, so after slicing it up, you see the water becomes really yellow. Next, we're gonna slice the aloe vera into two halves like this, and then we're gonna remove the gel with a spoon. So guys, just in case you're wondering, what are some of the amazing benefits of aloe vera when applied to the skin? It helps to moisturize the skin, boost healing of wounds, fight skin aging, reduce infection and acne, lightens blemishes on the face, remove dark circles and puffiness, treats sunburn. It also helps to eliminate dead skin cells. So of course, guys, these are some of the amazing benefits of aloe vera when applied to your skin or to your face. Of course, there are many more benefits, but you can go ahead and do some research if you'd like to know what else aloe vera is good for when it comes to your skin. Okay, guys. Okay, so now that our aloe vera gel is ready, it should be looking like this. Next, we're gonna add it to the blender and we are going to blend because we don't want all that lumps and chunks of aloe vera gel to be in it. Then we're gonna add our turmeric. We're gonna use a tablespoon like this, and we are going to add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. One of the main benefits of turmeric is its ability to reduce the appearance of dark spots. Dark spots, also known as hyperpigmentation, can be caused by sun exposure, hormonal changes, and acne scarring. So you guys are still with me, right? So next we're going to blend everything together and we're going to make sure everything is smooth. Sometimes you have to open the blender and make sure you get all those turmeric from the edges and blend, 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 blend again. All right. So now we are going to move on to phase 2. You're going to put some water on the stove to get hot or boil. Now this is the soap base, guys. That's why anybody can do this DIY, because we already have the soap base. All we have to do is add the stuff that we want in the soap, and voila, we have our natural soap. So I'm going to use this amount of soap base because I'll let it go a long way, guys. You'll see that. So now we're just going to dice them up into smaller cubes so it can easily be melted. And then we're going to add them to a heat-proof container. I'm going to use this glass container because it's, you know, it's more space. And then we're going to put it on the boiling water. We're going to do the double boiler. Sorry. We're going to do the double boiler method. That's a tongue twister. And now we're going to measure out this 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin, and this is going to help with the moisture. Now we're going to add that mixture, that phase 1, to the vegetable glycerin, and we're going to stir everything together. Make sure everything is all nice. This is about 5 minutes after, guys, and this is what the soap base is looking like. It's melting. You don't want to rush it, so it's gonna take at least 15 to 20 minutes to melt, because these cubes were actually a little bigger. But if the ones that you're using are smaller cubes, it may not take that long to melt completely. As I said, guys, all the ingredients will be in my storefront, and that link will be in my description below. Now that the soap base is melted, we're going to add phase 1, which was the aloe vera and turmeric mixture, to the container, and we're going to stir. You're going to see some lumps on top, but don't worry, you're on the double boiler. It's going to melt. It's the soap base. Once the cold stuff touch it, then it comes, you know, harder. But you're just gonna let it sit and melt. Guys, look at the color. Look at this color. I was obsessed with the color, and the longer it stays on the stove, I realized the color gets darker. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I was like, couldn't wait, so I just like mash it up, and look at that color. It has like a really dark hurt color, and I loved it. Listen, guys, if I can make this at home, you can make this at home. This is my second time making soap. My first soap that I made was the aloe vera soap. I'll put the link in my description if you guys haven't seen that video. And this is my second time, and I made it. So if I can make soap, you can make soap too. You have no excuse not to do this DIY. Okay, so now we're going to add some vitamin E oil, because you know we have to put in our essential oil and our vitamin E oil. And then we're going to add some tea tree oil. You can use any essential oils of your choice. This will actually help to make the soap a lot more effective. Okay, guys, we're also adding some lemongrass oil, as well as some lavender oil. And I use about roughly 7 to 8 drops of essential oils. Then you're going to stir everything together. Make sure everything is all stir and equally distribute. Now all we need now is our molding stuff, and this is what I got. This on Amazon 3 for like, I don't remember, like a little $8 or something. So I pour this mixture into the soap. I was really surprised I got so much soap, guys. I thought it would have been less, but I literally got 5 soap. And I'm like, oh my God, really? But anyways, look at that color. Isn't that amazing? Oh my God. Let me know, comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this soap making. And if you guys like these kind of videos, let me know, and please comment what kind of soap you'd like me to make next. All right? I will really find that fun to try something that you guys requested. So next, after pouring this mixture into the mold or molding, whatever the correct name for this thing. I'm sorry. I'm going to let it cool off a little bit, and then I'm going to put it into the fridge for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is what it looked like. And if you don't have a fridge, or if you choose not to put it into a fridge, you can let it sit on your countertop overnight or for the entire day. So you don't have to, it doesn't have to be in a fridge. So this is what it's looking like, guys. It looks amazing. I was so proud of myself. It smells amazing too. It smells really natural. It doesn't have like a fragrant smell because I didn't use any fragrance. It has like a really natural scent. You can smell the turmeric as well, but I couldn't smell the aloe vera, but I smelled the turmeric. So this is what they're looking like. They're perfectly good size. And I currently am using this to wash my face 2 times per day, and so far I am liking it. I haven't seen the result as yet because I have to wait because I just started using it, but I will let you guys know if you're interested. So let's jump on over to the sink and we are going to test our soap to make sure it's lathering properly. So here we are, we're testing it, making sure, the soap actually behave like a soap or do what a soap do, and that's lather and show suds and all those kind of soapy things. But yep, it does. It has really yellow color. It looks really nice. But the one thing I really like, that even though the sud is so yellow, when you wash your hands, it's gone completely. It didn't stain my hand at all, and I love that. So this is what it looks like. I love it, guys. I'm so proud of myself, and if I can do it, you can do it. So please try this DIY at home and let me know how it went with you guys. Also, comment down below what soap you want me to make next. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye, guys.